In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams, caught in the spell.
So ang chats po sa akin ni Beyonce ay gusto na daw ni Eds mag-asawa. So guys, yun yung bulong sa akin. Ay, ako. Gusto na daw ni Eds mag-asawa, guys. Paano ba yan, guys? Ano bang nangyayari niyan, guys? Gusto na daw ni Eds mag-asawa.
Underneath the sky painted
Yun po yung bulong,
dreams,
no?
we're chasing the echoes of silent screams, caught in the spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations we'll find our way, through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind.
Ano po yan pinag-uusapan nyo, guys? Hindi ko masyado hindi ko maintindihan. Kalinga pens, hindi na ako mag-asawa ka na rin. Ngayon, para sa to. Okay, naging ano yata yan yung chat. Nasa Naga po kami niyan. Tanda ko yan. Naglaano kami. Nagpupulitan kami ni Beyonce sa Naga. Sabi ko, i-chat niya si Arab. I-chat niya si Arab, sabi ko. I-chat niya yun. Chinat nga. Sabi ko, burahin. Tapos di binura. Ayun na.